What is blinker fluid? The answer is absolutely nothing. It's an old wives' tale. But your cars do require windshield washer fluid to keep the windshields clean. And in this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to refill your car's windshield washer fluid so that you can do it yourself. First, open the hood so that you can access the windshield washer fluid nozzle. However, in some cars, the washer fluid nozzle is not underneath the hood. In the Mercedes-Benz EQE, for example, the hood cannot open at all. Instead, the washer fluid refill nozzle is actually right next to the driver's door. In the Lexus LFA supercar, the washer fluid nozzle is nowhere near the engine bay. It's actually right here, next to the fuel filler. And that's because the washer fluid bottle is somewhere down here in the middle of the car. Back at the normal car, you'll find that the washer fluid nozzle will have a black or a white or a blue cap with this icon of a windshield on top of it. Simply take your funnel to make things easier for yourself, but if you don't have a funnel, you can just cut the top off of a water bottle and use that as a funnel instead. Some washer fluid reservoirs will have a low and full marks, while others don't have them at all. Fill it up to the full mark or just before the brim of the tank to allow for a small pocket of air. Like all liquids, washer fluid will expand with heat from the engine, and if there isn't a small pocket of air, it could burst the reservoir. And once you're done, take the funnel out, close the cap, and you can close the hood. And that's how easy it is to refill your windshield washer fluid. For more how-tos and tips, visit OpenRoadAutoGroup.com or check the video description below for more of our videos. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.